ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ke East West Group of Institution Bangalore kebeladon kemasan post-MA bat ke bapau baha ke kod admission na kebenta ke nursing and paramedical course yang jingte bakam benya kol hakini ke number harum.
And we thank God for having blessed and we keep continue working hard and may your future be bright always. Thank you.
Menangmankhraw Kharkongor naga St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School Shillong. But Gaurav Bharali naga St. Edmunds Higher Secondary School Shillong kilalong ki arngot ki khana school ban pass hakaran Banyngkong hak top 10 jong result Higher Secondary School Living Certificate Arts Stream balapan bana daga Meghalaya Board of School Education hak arpsau trik jembang arja arpsau naga St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School Shillong kiwei pat ki khana school ki balapoi hakaran top 10 kilong Zifania ban phiralang nongbri bat risala naki lalu hakaran ke bakhandai naga St. Edmunds Higher Secondary School Shillong kiwei pat kibalayong hakakardan top 10 kilong u hame kraw bok harshieng hakakardan kabasan bat Emi Heisakiru El Tubru hakakardan kabakhandai nangta sa arngot ki khana school jong Don Bosco College Higher Secondary Section Tura kilayo ay hakakardan kabaan bat kabalai kata katani shadas bat usal sang marak naga St. Mary's Higher Secondary School Shillong kanas Bashar kilayo ay hakakardan kabasau bat Sneha Ghosh hakakardan ka bakhandai kiwei pagi khana school belayo rong hakakardan top 10 hikan thup John Vianney Lingdo naga St. John Bosco Boys Higher Secondary School Sora ubalapoy hakakardan ka bahnrio Frederick Gwyneth Rinklem naga North Liberty Higher Secondary School Mukurdup Jowai hakakardan ka bahnyo Rimika Esther Dakhar naga Laban Bengali Girls Higher Secondary School Shillong hakakardan ka bapra Ukerman Lang Nongrum naga Village Dorbar Higher Secondary School Swear hakakardan ka bapra kapin bahasisha nongbri naga Auxilium Girls Higher Secondary School Shillong hakakardan ka bapra bat kamon kinjailen sengkon naga St. Dominic Higher Secondary School Maukendeng hakakardan ka bashipo habakhen lang ka jing pas jing khana how news nam arja apsau ke be khun kum girugula bat kin non regular kalong kinyo pukandai pon nyo pun 3%
Parlok jonga kita garap ina dan kita ke ko pilih balik hadin minta tengah perkhat bangan teng ya kecing pilih ke jonga subjek ya ka subjek hi minta ngapa laban nomor ba kan sure results ni dan kambangan wadu iki kursus nagi college kita ngapa ni tin sa ipit kijing te kibun kijing minta yo iba akan nak cukup ni ke ban shubun kampai isya mare sini setai je lawan school ru labun kam sa ni hantai je indre what happening jong kata ting smoke ba ningkong oi ke dek jing kersan ke jong play ke bar ke deh ga determination no ke jing benong ke jing lain nyala di te ban ta ban motivate la di jadi kata ke ba yo i ba ke di ro ke jing slur ban tur ya kita kecing ya pada kecing ya kita buan tambah ini banyak consistency ke di bandai tang minta December tang school ni lah yo ban ya penong ya kamu ada United Nations yo ta minta bangan terhilang tu je kebe tengah semutan pangan kudi novels ni mintai tak ban ya kata ke jeng temu ya kata ke jeng kuate ya don himo tamban ya kata hi ke por ni sampai ada ke jeng alam ke jeng play ke subject setengah berong baroi ki kenta te ki pher na ku ke singi sha ku singi mar ki jeng ki singi ki ba la por la yo shong bha ku mo tai o un kenta jadi bat ki por ki ba yo tang kingiat indai man ke singi hi kingiat kenta tengah bu piti ke bandon ke tu consistency ke jeng ini ke message ke jonga ke lomba tentang yo email bagi konsama buan ki dan po ke jeng tek ni ban ong joki social media bagi mobile phones tengah syukur tu bapin ya kapor ke bapi kerakot hindi ban switch off dan ban bu sharut ya ki mobile phone ki jong free la da fi shem ba ka long ka distraction fi kan but kawiro ka long ba mentally le ka juk ka ba ka don ka jing le la ni kata ka competitive world je ka don ban kan tu ya phi ba phi ban ya long gi baslur but kam tam e phi ban don ka determination kan pengyo ban ya le kita ka jing e paro hadu ba pengyo ban kai yo so jing jing jing
đọc là cái chương trình quen của bác Rao, ni con ép mà đơn bạn ai cũng yêu play, nằm ở cái bar rồi cái chương trình hi cái one play, thì công nghiệp khuôn trong ní, và nó đủ đăng rệt hi, là long consistent, hai cái chương play chú, chú họ bị cái top, thì ni bar rồi cái cái chương trình khu của chúng play, bạn như là cái miệng lên ti ru, và ôn lệ ba cái này cái kinh tí. But kini kalong shisha ka puram but ki ai ko de ru nam ta kinong hikay jukun ka school ko mga labyo kan bu ha kini ka school na do primary hadu higher secondary ni I ka jing tray shitom juki nong hikay kini ka school but ke don kata ka jing rap ka encouragement ka motivation ko wan ki but dei lamba ka jing tray shitom ka jing rap lem jongki na school but kumju na yin na ngi mi pa bala ban pen poye u hadu ko dira ka khmat te hal jing shisha ko mon shia thu ba ha we day bat ka mobile phone ngam pat ju ai ha ka ti ba indon na ka jong mobile phone ti day ha po ka jing pet ka jong na ki one ki messages ki one ki work na school ti ki one lamba ka jong a bat nga yo ban monitor ki a ki ba yo ban page let's see ki messages ki badan kam dengan ai bat ki ba don kam ngam ju pen ti kata let's see ka long ka we ka lat ka jing rap kum ki mi pa ni don ka binta ka ba crowd bin rap lem ya ki kun ha ka we day ban kum no ban control kum no ban pen don kam ya ka social media bat ka jing lam de ti ru ya ikun ba I day ban don ka responsibility ning kong ba induk sung thu kum no ban pen don kam ya ka social media cái đốt cam bài cái xoong hậu khna hi thì là đầu khna hi xin nó tụ vào đằng red là đang nghĩ ya cái determination và đốt cam có consistency của ông khuôn thì là đã đón để si cái encouragement này cái liang chúng mình phán đắt tụ đằng red cái này cái chuyện lên ti cam đây cái batang shisni cái đây cái chuyện lên ti it's not a one day affair cái đây cái nát tụ vào đằng red hi là fruit đắc là fruit lên ti cái này cái lên ti but nang ni siya khmat ru mi lenti but ka jing lam jing ku jong dei asi kan nang pli ka lat lenti ya ka jing pli ku jong nang ni siya khmat.
Happy, I guess. Most of all, I'm just glad I managed to fulfill the expectations of my teachers, my parents, and principal and everyone who's supporting me. Other than that, I don't really feel much. I guess I am proud, but the feelings subsided by now. Well, obviously my mother, she contributed a lot. She supported me. She made sure that I would study and work hard towards this. And my teachers, well, they were very good at teaching. And yeah, it's all because of them and my mother and my family that I got this position. Hopefully I can enroll in St. Edmund's College and get a major in psychology, although it's not established yet. So for now I'm going for sociology, and once psychology department is established, then I'll major in psychology.
So what is your ambition? What do you want to become in?
I honestly don't know yet. I guess what I want in life is to be happy and to live comfortably. That's about it. Was I depending on my studies, on digital apps for my studies? Not really. I'd say I was just mainly taking textbook was the most important thing, basically.
My name is Gaurav. I scored 468, 93%, first position. It was always hard for me. Obviously, it was very hard. It was a hard journey, but I took everything seriously, right from oral tests or whatever. Like even if a 5 marks test, I studied for it. I never kept my work to the side. It was always my first priority, so that's how I did it. I'm planning to do law, BLB, so let's see where it goes. If I can, then. It's either NEHU or I gave my CUET, so let's see if I get in BHU or anywhere else. To be honest, I never relied on technology. It was always my books, and I made notes myself. I never even for the books notes, I never hold on to that. I make my own. I write my own. I don't Google answers. I don't think it's even if it's a good way, but I don't trust it. So I trust my own writing. So that, I'm actually from Assam. I'm here for 11 and 12.
Assam where?
Guwahati.
I've been told long back that St. Edmund's Higher Secondary School has always had good results in arts. So today we are very happy and proud that our students have done well. We also got to know that it's 100% results. So all students have passed. So it's a great moment for us in St. Edmund's Higher Secondary School. A great moment for our teachers who work tirelessly, giving individual attention to students who need the attention. Congratulations to all other staff members who are working over here. And congratulations to our students who worked hard not just before the exam, but during the course of the 2 years that they have been here. And these students who stand out today, who have got positions, are students who have made a mark for themselves in the school. I know them, I've interacted with them, and from my own side, I have given them all the support and encouragement that they needed. And today I feel very proud that they have reached this stage in their life where they are position holders. Gaurav has been a very good student. I'm sure all the teachers would share my opinion. He has also taken part in a lot of co-curricular activities, especially debate. He has won prizes for the school in inter-school debates. Hame has also been a very good student. He has been a class prefect and he has worked very hard through the year. So these students have been extremely good in their own ways. It's also the work of the student. How does the student apply himself or herself, taking a liking to different subjects and working hard at those subjects. So it's the work of the students also that we must give credit to.